Hey guys, it's about 6:45, Saturday, May 12th. Still in some weird weather patterns here in northeast Pennsylvania. Got a couple of my good buddies came into town from Ohio a couple of days ago. Met up with them last night for dinner. They got on a few smallies, but we're going to meet up, do a little float trip today in this dreary rain up on the north branch of the Susquehanna River, not too far from Wilkes-Barre, and see if we can get on any smallies. Have been catching a lot of muskies lately though, so it's kind of good conditions for that, but we're going to get soaking wet. Right now it's about 48 degrees. The river's come down just a little bit, but it's still, as of last night, was only about 6 inches or so of visibility. And then we're supposed to have rain all afternoon. Right now we got a window of a few hours to pull off a little float trip, and then we're supposed to have thunderstorms, so hopefully we get off the water before that. There's even a little bit of wind chill, so it's that 7-mile-an-hour wind right now, but the river's going to crank right up again this evening, so it's a screwy spring. Let's see if we can catch anything though. it's about 3:15. We finished loading everything up. Spent about, I don't know, 6 hours in the water. Though like we always say, you usually cover about a mile an hour floating down the Susquehanna. Had a lot of fun, man. I'm glad the guys came down from Ohio. I live up in the Cleveland area. Everybody caught fish. Between two of them, I think they said they caught about 10 fish. I caught a good number of smallies, from little teeny dinks on up to about 16 or 17 inches. A couple of pretty nice sized catfish that luckily I quick released. And I caught a couple of walleye. One of them I was just playing around jigging under me as they were, you know, in one of my favorite musky holes. And didn't get on camera, but that was a bigger than a walleye I got. So we caught quite a few fish, not as many as we normally do this time of year because of the screwy weather we've had. It was supposed to not rain between 7 a.m. and 3 p.m., but as you saw, we launched it about 8, and it rained almost the entire time. Luckily, while we were loading up, it stopped. That being said, the phone just said the rain is supposed to, well, thunderstorms are supposed to roll in about 2 minutes, and it was supposed to start at 3, so we're, at least that end of it's working, like the weatherman said. Anywho, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We're gonna get out, hopefully we get into a real, like, you know, normal pattern, because today we couldn't even figure out exactly where they were. They were kind of all over the place. Some of them were getting onto bed, it looked like, but some of them were out in the middle. A lot of them were behind rocks. They were in current seams. It was no real standard pattern, but the smaller ones were actually out in the bigger moving water. So a lot of the bigger ones are probably up on bed, and we tried not to target those. But anywho, heading home. It's getting ready to storm. I'll get a free car wash out of it. And if you haven't already, be sure to click and subscribe to the Fishyaker YouTube channel. Let us know what you want to see. If you're like the guys here, you come from out of town, you want to go fishing, let me know. Heck, I'll go fishing with you too. I'm always looking for company and looking to try new places. But click and subscribe to the Fishyaker YouTube channel. Follow me at John Oast on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And like the Fishyaker.com channel on Facebook. Catch you on the water, guys.
Fishyaker.com, the original kayak rigging video series.